Hello guys and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to play WAV sounds in Java. So first off we need to load the sound. So we go File, and for this tutorial I'm using a clap sound. So I go clap equals new file. I'm just going to import this. And in here we just go clap.wav. And for this to work you need to have it in your project folder. Next up, I'm going to make the function that's going to play the sound. So I'm going to go static void play sound, and this function will take as an argument a file. So file sound. In here, what we're going to do is first off surround it all by a try and a catch loop, and this is needed or it will not work. So after this, first we initialize the clip. So we create a new clip and then we set it equal to the audio system, and then we get clip. So now we get the clip from the audio system, which is also a built-in class in Java. And we're going to need to import this clip as well. After this we're going to load the sound we want to play. So we go clip.open, and we go audio system again. Then we get the audio input stream, and in here we simply put the sound that we got as an argument. So sound. Now the last thing we need to do is just start the clip. Clip.start, and that's it. Now obviously we need to play the sound up here. I'll call the function, so we go play sound and just insert the sound we want to play, which I called clap. Now this is going to work fine, but the program is going to run through and then it's going to terminate after this, and so we will not actually get to hear the sound because the program will shut down. So we're going to need to make the program sleep for a while. So we go thread.sleep. Now how long do we want it to sleep for? The length of the clip. So we go clip.get microsecond length. And now you need to notice that this thread.sleep takes milliseconds and this is in microseconds. So we need to divide this by 1000 to get the actual value we need. And now it's done, so we just need to go ahead and play it. And as you can hear, the sound is working fine, and you can see here that the program terminates on itself after it's played. So you can go ahead and copy a few of these or add another sound if you want to, and it'll just play over and over as many times as you copied it. So that's it for this tutorial, and thanks for watching guys.